The AGM-114 R9X Ninja Missile begins with the careful selection of precision aerospace-grade raw material. The 7075 aluminum alloy billet, the backbone of the AGM-114 R9X missile body shell. The aluminum billet is secured in the CNC turning center, where the first rough turning operation will reduce it to. In the first rough turning pass, the oversized aluminum billet is reduced to a precise 17.8 centimeter. After the first roughing pass, a precision digital micrometer confirms the body diameter is 17.8 centimeters. The finishing pass brings the AGM-114 R9X body tube to its final 163 cm length and 17. The rough-turned AGM-114 R9X missile body tube is transferred to the precision inspection surface plate. The body tube enters the 5-axis CNC milling center, where 6 precision blade housing pockets will be machined to the mid-body section. The 6 precision rectangular blade housing pockets are milled into the mid-body of the AGM-114 R9X tube. Each pocket All 6 blade deployment pockets are aerified to precise depth and width specifications. Each pocket will receive one of. The forward end of the AGM-114 R9X body tube is precision tapered on the CNC lathe to create the exact. After all CNC machining operations are complete, the AGM-114 R9X body tube undergoes full surface In a dedicated machining station, the nose cone seeker housing begins its precision CNC turning operation from a fresh. The nose cone seeker cavity, precision board to house the AGM-114 R9X's semi-ac laser guidance sensor. Precision external threads are machined onto the rear base of the AGM-114 R9X nose cone housing. This allows it. The completed nose cone seeker housing undergoes full dimensional inspection. Using a precision optical comparator, every critical. Both the AGM-114 R9X body tube and nose cone seeker housing enter the chemical surface treatment line. A military specification gray oxide primer is applied. This is for both the body tube and nose cone. This creates the most iconic component of the AGM-114 R9X Ninja Missile. Begins as flat sheets of D2 tool steel. 6 blade blanks are precision cut from the D2 high-carbon tool steel sheet, using a CNC abrasive water jet cutter operating at 50,000 PS. The D2 steel blade blanks enter precision surface grinding, each face ground flat and parallel to exact thickness specifications. The CBN profile grinder forms the primary cutting bevel. This edge geometry gives the blade its razor-sharp capability. The 6 AGM-114 steel's microstructure. The nitrogen gas quench cycle rapidly cools the blades. This locks the hardened martensite microstructure in place. Following the hardening quench, the AGM-114 R at 200 degrees Celsius, reducing internal stresses created during quenching, while after tempering, the R9X blades enter the multi-stage polishing process, progressing through 220, 800, and 1200 grit stages. The final mirror polish brings each R9X blade to its finished state. This mirror surface is a signature of this weapon system. 6 completed high-carbon D2 steel deployable razor blades, each mirror precision ground and hardened to 60 HRC. The 6 deployable razor blades are individually protected and stored in a dedicated parts tray. Awaiting integration across the WarMech factory floor, multiple manufacturing processes advance in parallel, every station contributing to the precision build. The AGM-114 R9X missile's propulsion motor casing requires grade 5 titanium alloy. Titanium machining requires specialized cutting parameters, reduced spindle speeds, high coolant volume, and heavy-duty carbide inserts to The internal chamber bore of the AGM-114 R9X titanium propulsion casing is precision machined to. Structural assembly threads are cut on the forward and aft flanges of the AGM-114 R9X titanium propulsion casing. The aft nozzle seat, igniter port, and assembly alignment features are machined in the CNC vertical machining center.
The AGM-114 points verified against 3D digital model to ensure zero defect quality. Before this
3 of the AGM-114 R9X Ninja Missile's primary structural components are now complete. Next, The four tail fins of the AGM-114 R9X Ninja Missile are fabricated from high-strength carbon fiber composite. Each tail fin is hand-laid up with multiple plies of carbon fiber pre-pressed in a precisely specified stacking sequence, the fiber orientation layer contributing to the four AGM-114 R9X tail fin preforms are vacuum-bagged and loaded into the autoclave, a pressurized at 130 fiber composite laminate, a 90-minute hold at temperature and pressure. That demolding reveals four perfectly cured carbon fiber composite tail fins. The woven surface texture is a hallmark of each AGM-114 R9X carbon fiber tail fin, the diamond grit burr tracing the exact edge profile. To within point. After edge inspection, the four AGM-114 R9X carbon fiber tail fins are painted in military specification matte olive drab. The AGM-114 R9X body tube and nose cone seeker housing receive their millet specification matte olive drab top coat. The AGM-114 R9X nose cone seeker housing receives a second slightly dark olive gray tone coat. A subtle but visual. All painted AGM-114s enter the force cure oven at 80 degrees. With all structural components cured and finished in military specification matte olive drab, where body, nose.
The electronics assembly section of WarMech factory operates under strict ESD control protocols. The gold tone.
The multi-layer guidance circuit boards are installed into their precision-machined black aluminum housing using stainless steel M2 fasteners. Before installation into the AGM-114 R9X missile, every guidance module undergoes a full bench electronic functional test. Precision copper wiring harnesses for the AGM-114 R9X guidance and actuator systems are hand-built using military specification ratchet crimping tools. The semi-active laser seeker sensor is carefully installed into the AGM-114 R9XX nose cone seeker housing. The six-blade deployment mechanism is assembled from precision-machined stainless steel and aluminum components. The spring-loaded hinge system deploys all six blades simultaneously. The six mirror-polished high-carbon D2 steel deployable razor blades are individually loaded into the blade deployment mechanism, each blade secured in the loaded blade deployment mechanism is installed. It goes into the mid-body section of the AGM-114 R9X. Each of the six razor blades is seated in its dedicated pocket. The multi-conductor copper wiring harness is carefully routed through the interior of the AGM-114 R9X body tube. The copper conductors are precise. The guidance electronics module is installed into the forward section of the AGM-114 R9X body tube. The wiring harness connects internal electrical architecture. The nose cone seeker housing is threaded onto the forward end of the AGM-114 R9X body tube. This precision thread engagement forms the primary structural joint of the missile's forward section. Before mating the titanium propulsion motor casing to the aft end of the R9X body tube, thread sealant compound is applied to the mating threads, preventing both leakage and The titanium propulsion motor casing is torqued onto the aft end of the AGM-114 R9X body assembly. The squeeze-out of thread sealant. The four carbon fiber composite tail fins are bonded to the aft body section of the AGM-114 R9X in the characteristic symmetrical X configuration. With all structural components assembled and the tail fin adhesive curing, the AGM-114 Ninja Missile assembly is visible for the first time as a complete structural form. With all structural bonding confirmed solid, to the final integration bench, where the remaining internal systems and assembly seals will be. The solid propellant igniter assembly is installed in the AGM-114 R9X propulsion motor's igniter port. A comprehensive pre-final test electrical functional test is performed on the complete AGM-114 R9X missile assembly, verifying all internal system. The completed AGM-114 R9X Ninja Missile enters the final quality assurance inspection bay, the most critical stage before completion.
The nose cone seeker housing is carefully inspected for surface integrity, dimensional accuracy, optical cleanliness of the laser seeker aperture. Any contamination or carbon fiber tail fin bond is inspected by visual examination and acoustic tap test, listening for any hollow indications that would suggest adhesive voids in the bonded joint.
The titanium propulsion motor casing joint, igniter installation, and all aft section interfaces are systematically verified. The combination of sealant R9X Ninja Missile assembly is weighed centimeters in overall length, with the military specification matte olive drab finish of the AGM-114 R9X is inspected with a calibrated gloss meter. The non-reflective tactical
Following completion of all quality assurance checks, the AGM R9X Ninja
WarMech factory AGM-114 R9X Ninja Missile assembly is complete. Every component precision manufactured, every system integrated. In military specification corrosion moisture barrier that preserves the finish sealed with tamper-evident banding. This creates a fully environmentally sealed protective package. The complete manufacturing traceability documentation package for this AGM-114 R9 passing every manufacturing station that contributed to its creation. Toward the final dispatch verification confirms the AGM-114 R9X Ninja Missile container is complete. Correctly documented, sealed, billet, reflects the precision, and manufacturing excellence. The AGM-114 R9X Ninja Missile, 163 centimeters, 45 kilograms. A precision.
This is the AGM-114 R9X Ninja Missile. Manufactured